Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing just a very quick clean. This is kind of a basic routine that I typically do on a daily basis. Really lots of tidying up after the kiddos, lots of tidying up after my family, and just getting the house organized in a very clean and tidy and quick manner. Basically, not too much decluttering or organizing going on today, but that's okay because we're going to be saving that for our spring cleaning, which is so much needed. I cannot wait to start spring cleaning. That's going to be happening soon, and just really decluttering in the house, going through all of the toys, the clothes, and just all of the drawers in the house. That's going to be happening really soon. Super excited for that one. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, cleaning videos for cleaning motivation, and I give you guys a little glimpse into my life as well on a daily basis. So if you guys are really into this type of content, I would love if you gave this video a like and subscribe to my channel. You'll get to see a lot of cool things.
Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up in this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say
I always feel like there's so much picking up to do after the kiddos, even though they're really good at taking care of themselves. But when they leave for the morning, it's just kind of a rush, and there's really not enough time because it takes about 30 minutes to get to their school. So we have to get up extra early, and I do not want to wake them up even earlier than they are already getting up, just to, kind of tidy up in the morning. So I end up having to tidy up for everyone afterwards, which is okay.
through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer.
I definitely need to go through all of those kitchen drawers and my upstairs kitchen drawers and really just reorganize everything. I have too much silverware downstairs in the drawer. I don't have enough upstairs. So basically that's what's going to be happening during my spring cleaning, just reorganizing all of the drawers and making sure everything is in its right place, getting rid of stuff. And I'm super excited for, an organized house. And spring cleaning is my favorite thing to do because it's like a real, week-long cleaning marathon.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on
And I'm just quickly tidying the bathroom. I'm literally using baby wipe just to wipe the counters down. I'm not doing any major cleaning. I don't have time for that right now. I am picking everything up off the floors and just wanting the house to look a little more presentable.
not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me.
Lately, I've been working upstairs just because it's been super sunny outside, and I just love working when it's super sunny. So I've been using the kitchen upstairs, the kitchen island. I've got my computer, I've got all of my other stuff over there. So I'm going to leave that there for now. I don't want to disrupt any of that stuff because it's been going great for me. So I'm just going to slide all that stuff to the side. I've got a bunch of paperwork, going through some mail right now. That I'm going to, like I said, leave and clean everything else up.
What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no
bedding is super mismatched right now. That's going to be part of my spring cleaning, is kind of going through all of our bedding sets and making sure that we have, all of the pillowcases and everything to it. I'm not going to be buying new bedding just yet. Really, I want to buy a lot of new stuff when we finally do end up buying one that is, like I said, I don't know. But I'm really like holding on so that way, like when we move into a new house and I buy new stuff, I can just throw out all of this mismatched stuff. It's okay for now because it does the job.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I withdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much cause you don't.
I have tons of laundry to fold, and I'm going to be folding everything in my son's room and putting it all away. I just feel like we've been like really, I don't know, so much laundry. Anyways, because we go to the track often, the motocross track, some of our stuff that we wear there still smells like fumes. That's why you see me smelling some of these things, because you can still smell the fumes, and I have to wash some of those things 2 or 3 times in order for those, like the gasoline fumes, to get out. And I think I use a pretty good detergent. If you guys have any recommendations on detergent to get gasoline fumes out, please let me know in the comments below, because some of the stuff like reeks still of it. And as you can see, I'm going through the pile, and anything that we wear to the track that still smells thrown to the side to be rewashed. I also have some henna on my eyebrows right now. As I'm doing this, I'm darkening my eyebrows. So don't get too worried, that is not my makeup, but I'm trying to darken my eyebrows because they are just so light naturally that you really can't see them if I don't have any eyebrow pencil on.
I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit.
I'm going to be throwing all of the socks and all of the underwear to the side. That is what I'm going to have my kids do. I'm going to have my kids pair all of their socks, all of the underwear, put everything there separately. And that's the responsibility. They can do that. It takes them only a few minutes, and they actually really enjoy doing it.
Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be an assessor. Or just the best you've ever had.
Put away the kids' clothing into their drawers and pretty much finish up for the day. That is kind of what my daily quick cleanup looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said earlier, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
The way you make me grounded, thinking about the way you